What's up everybody, Chef Glenn B and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm working on Greek fries. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you to all of you that have subscribed. If you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. To all of you, if you're enjoying the content, please hit that like button. All right, so as I mentioned, I'm doing Greek fries. I've noticed that when I look for Greek fries in various restaurants, that they're either lacking something, or I kind of imagine what Greek fries should look like. I order these Greek fries and I get some nice crispy fries with feta cheese, with some parsley, maybe some onions, and that's it. But I imagine Greek fries. Now maybe this is blasphemy, but I look at a beautiful Greek salad. I don't know. I think, why can't my Greek fries look like that, right? So I came home and I wrote a recipe. So I have a recipe for Greek fries that I'm sharing with you. And first thing I'm gonna do is I've got my potatoes here. I've got all of these ingredients. You see, I got a ton of stuff. We're gonna use duck fat to fry the fries. If you've been with me since the beginning, you know I have a thing for twice fried fries in duck fat. And we're gonna use Yukon Gold potatoes. I've got my potatoes, I've already cut them into fries, and I had them in the refrigerator in cold water overnight. As you can see, my fries are nice and firm. And again, I got all of these ingredients, but the first thing I wanna do is I need to get my fries dried, and I wanna get them fried the first time. And before I do that, let's take a step back. I need to get my duck fat into my fryer so that I can get that going as well. So I've got my potatoes nice and dry. I've got my oil set to 325 degrees, and as I mentioned, we're gonna fry them twice. The first time we're gonna fry them at 325 degrees. We're gonna pull them, allow them to sit to the side and let them cool. And we're gonna crank the temperature up to 375, and we're gonna fry them the second time at 375 degrees. I wanna go ahead and get my sauce together now. I'm doing a tahini sauce to drizzle on top of the fries when they're done. I got all of my ingredients here. I've got some water that I need to get warm. I'm gonna stick this in the microwave for a few seconds. So I'm gonna start with my tahini paste. I'm gonna add my warm water to the bowl. We stack together. I'm gonna add my Greek yogurt. Lemon juice. A couple of tablespoons. I like a little extra lemon in this sauce. Add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna add my fresh garlic. Salt. And some fresh cracked black pepper. I'm gonna add a little more olive oil. And a little more fresh lemon. I'm gonna get this in my squeeze bottle and hold it for the fries. So my oil is hot, I'm ready to get going. Get this first fry going. So we're gonna partially cook them. As you can see, the way that I cut them, they're nice and sturdy. I like super thin fries, but these fries I thought needed to have a little bit more body to them. Got feta cheese and all that kind of stuff going on it. Okay, so as you saw, I was chopping everything, getting everything ready. So let me explain a little bit of what I got going on here. So I've got my feta cheese here. I crumbled it really finely. I wanted to make sure that I didn't have any huge chunks. I've also got some Kalamata olives, and as you saw in the footage, I quartered them. I wanted this again to not be so chunky on the fries. Got some diced red onions, diced tomatoes, and I've got some chopped parsley. This actually happens to be curly parsley. You can use either curly or Italian. I chose curly because I happen to have curly parsley growing on my countertop garden back there. I've got some lemon wedges to squeeze when we're done with the frying the fries, and I put my tahini sauce in a squeeze bottle. So we've got those ingredients to top the fries when they're done. I've got a spice mixture that I want to put on the fries when I bring them out of the fryer. So I've got some oregano. I've got some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and cayenne pepper. Now I'm not going to use all of this on my fries. I'm going to use as much as I need, but I want to make sure that I have enough. I'm going to sprinkle this on the fries as soon as I bring them out of the fryer. Okay, so I've got my oil cranked up to 375 degrees for the second fry. All right, so the second fry is going to take anywhere from 4 to maybe 5 minutes or so. I'm going to watch them very closely. So while my fries are frying, let me tell you about this wine that I'm going to pair it with. I've got the 2022 Pisoni Family Vineyards Rosé. It's a rosé of Pinot Noir, and they're located in Monterey County. Go ahead and give it a little once over. Beautiful blush color, as rosés do, as rosés tend to have. Beautiful. Wow. Melon. Oh, strawberry. We're all over the place with fruit. We're gonna get back to this. Let me check on my fries. Fries are looking good. Nice. So again, the nose is a fruit bomb, leading with watermelon. It's like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Oh, it's delicious. It's like again, the nose was like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. It's like a watermelon Jolly Rancher on the palate too. I think that's gonna be perfect. So I think they're done. Just wanna make sure that they're crispy. So I'm gonna season them with my seasoning mixture that we made. Oh man, you should be able to smell how it smells as the spices are hitting these hot fries. And then I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of additional salt. Got my dish with my fry paper. Right into the center of that dish. Feta cheese. Be generous. Be generous. Kalamata olives. Red onions. Diced tomato. Some parsley. All right, so my fries are done. I'm ready to check the pairing. The wine is fantastic. As I told you earlier, I mean, it's fruit and Jolly Rancher and all that kind of stuff all over the place. Oh, now let's check this. Can't forget the lemon. Whoa, that was a juicy slice. Oh man. Okay. This is what I imagined when I looked at that menu and I ordered my Greek fries and I got my Greek fries and I was a little bit disappointed. This is what I imagined it could be like. This is, I don't even really know how to explain it to you how good this is. No idea. And you might as well use your fingers. Cause man, wow. I couldn't stop eating it. Okay, let's move along here. That's good. All is right with the world. All is right with the world. Perfect video, perfect dish, perfect pairing, no hemming and hawing and all, none of that. Yep. Wow. It could not be any more delightful than this. I'm gonna be a little bit more dignified and I'm gonna grab my fork. Okay, because I gotta double check. I think that there's a lot of fool's gold going on, all this color and all that fruit and now laters and Jolly Ranchers and stuff going on in the glass. I could be deceived, so I need to double check. A little bit of dignity with my fork here. And I want to make sure I don't miss anything. Man. Okay. If you're into wine and if you ever paired anything and the pairing was perfect, you know what I'm experiencing right now. I'm telling you. I had a glass of Chardonnay in a restaurant in Napa a few years ago. Brought me to tears. It was like that. Yeah. So anyway, this ain't like that, but whoa. Yeah. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of you for watching my video today. For those of you that are new and have yet to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe. I regularly drop videos where I share my favorite recipes and I pair them with wines. And as always, the intent is to get the perfect pairing like we did here today. In addition to that, I want to let you all know that the link to the recipe is in the description as always. And hit that like button, please. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.